Trading might sound complicated, but it's simpler than you think. Imagine you're buying and selling things, not for yourself, but to make money from the price difference. That's trading in a nutshell. You buy something at a lower price, hoping it will increase in value. When it does, you sell it for a profit. Let's say you buy a bike for $100. A few months later, you find someone willing to pay $150 for it. You sell it, making a $50 profit. That's a simple example of trading. Of course, trading in the real world involves more than just bikes. People trade various things, from company shares, stocks, to currencies, and even things like oil and gold. It's all about buying low and selling high, aiming for that sweet profit margin. Remember those baseball cards you collected as a kid? If you ever traded one for a rarer card, you were already a trader. Trading is all around us, and understanding its basic principles can open doors to exciting opportunities. Now let's explore some common types of trading. One popular market is the stock market. Here, you buy and sell shares of companies. Ever wanted to own a tiny piece of Apple or Amazon? Buying their stock makes you a part owner. Another exciting market is Forex, short for foreign exchange. Here, you're essentially betting on the rise and fall of currencies. Imagine exchanging dollars for euros, hoping the euro's value increases against the dollar. Then there's commodities trading. Think of things like gold, oil, or even coffee beans. These are raw materials, and their prices fluctuate based on supply and demand. Each market has its own rules and quirks. The key is to find one that interests you and learn its ins and outs. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in the world of trading. Why do people trade? The most obvious answer is to make money. Trading offers the potential to grow your wealth faster than traditional saving methods. It's the allure of turning a small investment into a significant profit. But it's not just about quick riches. Many people trade to secure their financial future. They see it as a way to build a nest egg for retirement or save for their children's education. Trading can also be intellectually stimulating. It's like solving a puzzle, analyzing market trends, and making calculated decisions. For some, the thrill of the trade, the adrenaline rush of a successful deal, is a major draw. Whether it's the pursuit of financial freedom or the excitement of the game, people trade for various reasons. Understanding your own motivations is crucial before diving into the trading world. Section 4. Weighing the risks and rewards. Trading, like any other investment avenue, comes with its share of risks. It's not a guaranteed path to riches, and there's always the possibility of losing money. Market fluctuations are unpredictable, and even seasoned traders can face losses. Imagine buying a stock expecting its price to rise, only to see it plummet the next day. That's the volatile nature of the market. It's a roller coaster ride with ups and downs, and it's not for the faint of heart. However, with risk comes reward. Successful traders will tell you that thorough research, calculated risks, and a disciplined approach can lead to significant gains. It's about managing risk effectively and making informed decisions. Before you jump into trading, it's essential to educate yourself about the potential downsides. Understand that losses are part of the game, and don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Section 5. Trading in everyday life. Trading might seem like a Wall Street jargon, but it's more common than you think. Remember haggling for a better price at a flea market? That's a form of trading. You're negotiating a better deal, trying to buy low and get the best value for your money. Even online shopping involves trading principles. Comparing prices, waiting for sales, and using discount coupons are all ways to buy low. You're essentially trying to get the best possible price for the products you want. Think about real estate. People buy properties hoping their value will appreciate over time. They're essentially trading in real estate, aiming to sell high in the future. Trading, in its essence, is about exchanging one thing for another, hoping for a profitable outcome. It's woven into our daily lives, often without us even realizing it.